It's almost a week since Thappad was released and it has an IMDb rating of around 6.5. Now, I'm not the kind of person who watches a film based on its rating, but this thing left me confused. इतनी अच्छी फिल्म की इतनी एवरेज रेटिंग, इसका रीजन को समझ में नहीं आया। ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ये बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है। आयुष्मान खुराना, जावेद अख्तर, the entire Bollywood is praising and calling it one of the most important films. So when I looked into the graphs closely, the film has around 2000 votes with an IMDb rating of 1 and 2500 votes with an IMDb rating of 10. Now, इतने extreme reactions क्यों? Maybe it's just because of Anubhav Sinha and Taapsi's political stand and it's just mob voting. या फिर फिल्म ने सच में इतने polarized reactions create कर दिए हैं. Now the people who are watching this will agree with me कि this was one of the most powerful films in the recent times. जिन्होंने नहीं देखी, watch this video at your own risk क्योंकि थोड़े बहुत spoilers तो होंगे ही. But you can definitely decide afterwards whether you should watch this film or not. If you scroll down, you will see the demographics of the rating. It clearly shows that the film has been extremely downvoted by men. Women on the other hand have absolutely loved the film. This proves that Thappad successfully drives the point home. It makes the target audience uncomfortable and that is a win for a responsible filmmaker like Anubhav Sinha. Films are a mirror to the society. The problem with Thappad is ये फिल्म इस बातों को ज़्यादा ही seriously लेती है. While watching the film, I was completely struck by the small things that it gets absolutely right. The movie is not preachy or heavy on dialogues. It relies on its frames and pauses. Usually हमारी हिंदी सिनेमा हमेशा dominated रहती है हीरो की स्टोरी से. Although the film's central story is based on Vikram and Amrita's marriage, it's the film's supporting characters जो काफी impressive हैं. ये कैरेक्टर्स काफी रियल हैं. विक्रम्स मॉम played brilliantly by Tanvi Azmi, Amrita की neighbor played by Diya Mirza, her lawyer Netra in a very authentic performance by Maya Sarao, her parents played by Ratna Pathak Shah and Kumud Mishra are the life of this film. एक सेट सा टाइम टेबल है जिस पर अमृता की लाइफ चलती है और ये काफी सीमलेसली दिखाया है फिल्म में. सुबह अलार्म बजता है and Amrita goes to the door to pick up the newspaper and milk, and the rest of the day carries on. The writer said show this as a lyrical routine repeatedly so that it sets in. If you take a moment, you might notice that हमारी मॉम्स ये रूटीन कितने सालों से फॉलो कर रही हैं, without getting any recognition and without making a big deal about this. Similarly, the film also doesn't make a big deal about this. It's just there. It's after a Thappad at a house party जहाँ Vikram gets really upset because of some office की बसड़. This routine is disrupted. It's then that the story and Amrita start questioning everything. तमाशा में भी ना एक सेट रूटीन के थ्रू एक लार्जर पॉइंट रखने की काफी कोशिश की गई थी. It's during Ved's realization that he's not really this person he's pretending to be. The 9 to 5 job is not exactly for him and what is his real worth. यहाँ पर अमृता realizes the exact same thing but in a very different context. बस सेल्फ वर्थ की बात दोनों ही जगह की गई है. It's things like these that the film gets right. Reality hidden all along. एक जगह सुनीता, the house help, played brilliantly by Geetika Vidya Olyan, looks at her abusive husband after the Thappad incident at Amrita's house and says, मारते तो सब हैं, मैं तुझे बेकारी गाली देती रहती हूँ. While watching the film in the theater, one uncle behind me said, sorry बोल देता, बात वहीं खत्म हो जाती. A lot of you might think कि बात वहीं खत्म हो जाती, a lot of you might think otherwise. But the problem with this is, ये जो अंकल थे ना, इन्होंने ये तब बोला जब विक्रम अपने बॉस को सॉरी बोल रहा होता है for that बसड़ that happened in the party, and that too much later in the film. अमृता को तो सॉरी बोला ही नहीं उसने, and that is something the film shows very subtly. Vikram is not the villain of this film. The deep-rooted patriarchy in him is. Like the next day after the party, Vikram comes to Amrita and says how he was so stressed about the entire thing. There are many other scenes reeking of this entitlement. See, this is the mirror that this film is holding. Vikram is all of us men somewhere. It doesn't target men anywhere. So before you start a not all men thread in the comments below, the film targets a particular mindset. It's a formal, very respectable complaint launched against oppression and entitlement, and how we are never really held accountable for anything. And in a country like India where not only men but women are also part of the same problem, Thappad is a conversation starter, a red flag, which clearly states in its title, बस इतनी सी बात पर नहीं मार सकता. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and for more such opinions, subscribe to India Times.